Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am back with another tutorial video of how to delete subscribe calendar on iPhone. So to get started, first of all go ahead and open up your calendar application. Here on the top of the screen you can see the calendar type of emoji or sticker. Go ahead and tap on it. Now it will directly take you to the calendar settings and scroll all the way down and you'll be seeing US holidays, birthdays, series suggestions and many more. And on the option US holidays you can see subscribed. So for suppose you want to delete it or you want to unsubscribe it, so to do that just go ahead and tap on it. Once you do that, it won't show any events or the date that you have set. To edit further, you can just go ahead and tap on that I button and tap on that event alerts. Now tap on done and as you can see it is unsubscribed. So yeah guys, this is how easily you can delete subscribed calendar on iPhone. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.